When installing the disc brush, please align the 3 pins on the brush plate with the 3 slots on the brush plate buckle. Put the disc brush plate under the brush cover. Then step on the brush plate pedal at the rear of the machine to lower the brush cover. Turn around the disc brush plate counterclockwise with your hands. If the brush plate pins are aligned with the buckles, the brush plate cover will sink further. Turn on the key switch of the machine. Tap the brush button to activate the brush motor. If the brush plate rotates, it is installed correctly. If not installed correctly, the brush plate will wobble up and down. When detach the disc brush plate, turn the brush plate clockwise by hand. If these 3 pins are good but the disc brush plate can't be installed, please check the 3 slots on the brush plate holder. Replace the buckle if needed.